Welcome to the Handed Down Kitchen, where we bring recipes out of the past and back into the kitchen. We have another quick and easy recipe for you today, perfect for summertime, a 1950s banana split. We found this recipe in the ice cream sundaes and cold desserts section of our copy of Good Housekeeping's Cookery Compendium, which was published in 1959. And when you think of popular or trendy foods of the 1950s, you are bound to think of ice cream sundaes. The whole ice cream parlour and American diner culture thing that happened around this time, and the rise of teenagers who really liked hanging around these sorts of places, made ice cream sundaes one of the most iconic desserts of the 1950s. So here is a real, genuine 1950s recipe for a banana split to transport you right back to that decade in a mouthful. So to make this, you're going to need 1 banana per sundae, some vanilla ice cream, some chocolate ice cream, some fresh fruit, chopped nuts, and we're using hazelnuts, and some Melba sauce. So first things first, the recipe says to serve your banana split in a glass dish like this one. And we were so lucky, we managed to find 2 long sundae dishes in a charity shop last year, and knowing we wanted to make something like this, snapped them up right away, just 50p each. We don't know exactly how old they are, but they look 50s or 60s to us, which is perfect for this recipe. You can always use a plate, but these things are so useful, they'll keep everything in place for you. So the first thing to do is to cut your banana in half lengthways and put it into your glass dish. Next, between the pieces of banana, place 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and then another scoop of chocolate ice cream. Then pour your Melba sauce over the banana and ice cream. And we made this Melba sauce using a recipe from the same cookbook, which we'll link at the end of this video. Sprinkle over some chopped nuts. And then sprinkle on top of this your fresh fruit. And that's it, a banana split that will transport you straight back to the 1950s. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please remember to leave us a like, and if you're interested in seeing us recreate more antique recipes, subscribe to our channel. You can also find full instructions for this recipe, as well as that for the Melba sauce we used, and many more on our website, linked in the description box below.